I was going through my videos and I recently found a recording of a call I did for the snipfeed ambassadors. For those of you who don't know me, I've been partnered up as an ambassador for snipfeed since October of 2022, and I'm fallen in love with them. I have multiple videos on my channel giving you tutorials on how to use them. I also have a whole playlist on TikTok about snipfeed because not only do I truly believe in them, but I use it. I've been able to monetize through them, and I really do believe it is one of the better platforms slash link in bio sites that you can make money on. Let me give you the quick 3 tips on how to monetize your link in bio, how to use social media to do that. And I'll also throw in a few examples. All right, let's go. My name is Senya, and I wanted to share a little bit about how I've been able to monetize through snipfeed. I think that we hear a lot of the word affiliate marketing and UGC kind of been throwing around right now. It's been a thing. Like, this is not new. It's just a buzzword now, which is amazing. It can be very lucrative. Start taking this content specifically when you're creating for snipfeed as a huge possibility to have that additional revenue. This is what I tell my girls sometimes when they're like, my little business, or when they make content that says my little side hustle. This is not your little anything. You can make as much money as you want. And if you take affiliate marketing and all of this, I know we're talking about snipfeed here, but if you take that serious, it will pay you as a business. Are you going to be a millionaire tomorrow with snipfeed? Not tomorrow, but you can definitely make an extra $500, $500, a few thousand if you take it as serious as a business. How I create my content has helped me drive people to sign up for snipfeed. The very first one is hooks. This is not new either, but I've noticed when I get lazy and I just make a video like, oh, I gotta turn in the video, whatever. Like, I'm sure we're all super guilty of that. And now I take some time. I go through my hooks. I have my list of hooks that work. So I'm like, okay, this one works. I know that the controversial one was you don't need a website.
Make money with no website. Listen, I have a tool for you that I've been using for a few months now. I am completely obsessed with, and I have a few of my friends on it, including my new content creator husband. I'll show you what mine looks like. I sell things on it, and I'm gonna show you what my husband looks like. He does not have any products yet, a coach or anything, so I'll tell you the difference. This is his. It is mostly affiliate links. There's also a little place to support the channel, which you can give him tips, buy his coffee, whatever. Mine has a custom URL. If you want to get started, make sure to go to workwithsanya.com for a free month.
People were like, yes, you do. All the engagement. That hook, like, this is why you don't need a website. Another hook that has worked for me is if you want to double your X amount of income using TikTok, here's how you can do it. That's number 1, hooks. The second thing, which I already kind of touched on, is being controversial. I personally wouldn't say why I hate Stan or like why I hate Linktree, because I'm just like a softie.
Here's why I like snipfeed over Stan Store. I like it because there's a free option. I do work with women that want to make money online, but a lot of them are limited on funds. And with having like Canva membership, Calendly, and then you got to pay fees for all these things, like, I get it. I was there. It's a good way to start. On top of that, they have a bomb referral program. You can go in and get your website URL. So for me, it's workwithsenya.com. And it's pretty similar. They have a lot of the same features, but because they're continuing to grow, the one-on-one help is insane. So if you want to try it, feel free to sign up with my link. And like I said, it's free. Follow if you want to make money online with content.
But that's definitely controversial. Like, hook people in. The controversial one for me was that you don't need a website. Number 3, I love that Lucy talked about making it longer. So most of my videos are not less than like 2 minutes. That's just because I like to talk too, but it's also because TikTok wants to be YouTube. One way that I can make my videos longer without sounding rambly or saying all the ums, ifs, like all of those filler words, what you can do is talk in the camera, and then turn it around and show your screen. Show how easy it is to set up an invoice. Show how easy it is to create a course really quick.
If you want to make money with a small following, listen up. Go on the link in my description. It's going to be workwithsenya.com. You're going to scroll to the bottom and say, make your own page list just like this. If you don't know how to do it, I have a whole tutorial here, but it's pretty straightforward. Then you're going to reach a few of these things. Let me show you what I mean. You can create some type of digital download. I actually have a whole free download for you, but let's say you don't want to do an ebook. You want to do like some type of coaching. You can set that up here. Maybe you want to do something like more one-on-one as far as a call, group coaching, a live class that people just buy tickets to, like let's say $20 ticket, or you're going to help them design something. Like, there's literally unlimited possibilities. So digital products, one-on-one, either group or one-on-one call. You can also do affiliate marketing if you do want specific beauty product or a beauty affiliate. I got you. You can just go to become a self-care affiliate. But like I said, it's unlimited. Let me show you what it looks like to set up your one-on-one coaching. Let's say looks like this. You pick a day, and once you pick a day, then you can pick the time, and then you answer a whole bunch of questions. So that's what it looks like. It's gonna make sure to ask you all of this, and then at the end, it takes the payment. It's not as hard as you think. If you do need guidance, like tell me exactly how to do this, just click on this one that says work with me on my link, but it's pretty simple to create.
Number 4, nurturing people through your marketing funnel. So I used to do it the old fashioned way, CSV or CVS, no, CSV. I would download the people that would sign up with me, upload them to an email sequence, but if they sign up with me through my link, I nurture them. So I'm like, hey, good job. Like, you signed up for SnipFeed. Cool. Thanks. Like, here you go. Here are my top tips. I also made a YouTube video of how to set up your SnipFeed, and I have like a few tutorials on there. So I send them that. Hey, did you use SnipFeed? Here you go. Here's this video if you have not uploaded your first download. So I have a sequence of about 6 to 10 emails, and it's not that long. I know it sounds boring, but it's actually not that long. You could do it while you're watching Netflix. I know there was a question, I don't remember who asked, if I am not making money yet, how can I start like promoting SnipFeed? And I would say that you should create something free. Make something. It could be a download. It could be a call. It could be an email. Like, hey, put your email and I'm going to tell you my top 5 tips of whatever it is that you do. Getting those emails, you'll be able to quickly send whatever you want to sell later. Maybe you don't want to make an ebook anymore. Maybe you want to do a call or coaching or whatever. But if you make something free, like you could do it by tonight. Come on, AI. Like, you could do it by tonight. It doesn't have to be pretty. Tomorrow you can make it prettier, but just launch it today and start building that and then talk about it. Hey, I just downloaded and made my PDF with SnipFeed AI and I uploaded it in less than 1 hour. Let me show you how I did it. So those are my tips. I hope that they were helpful. If you do want to sign up for SnipFeed and get 6 weeks free, you can use the code WorkWithXenia, and right below this video, I will link all of the different SnipFeed tutorials that I have for you here and also on TikTok. Bye.